CVS Pharmacy, Fort Myers. Get our medicine on. Beautiful skyline. Got it? This one doesn't look different. Barbie.
Barbie.
Pharmacy and more. Yep, Valentine's coming up. Oh wow, Fruit Loops. I remember when I was young, we used to have to buy those cards for school. I didn't even got wine. That's not bad. Ah, plátano squishers. Blankets, toys. Real vacuum cleaners. Alrighty, stuffed animals. Those are a waste of money. Alright, BB. Oh wow, die-cast cars. Oh, there she is.
I got this one.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay.
No non-sweet.
Not in yours. Not in. They have it in lemon.
Ooh.
Lemon and mint. But I know our store has it in yours. So. All right.
I would try lemon and mint, but have you ever had lemon and mint? No?
Yeah, and tea. Doesn't taste too bad. Alright, that's the baby stuff.
I gotta see about that health insurance card because it says we get so much. There goes your CPAC. Look at those different styles.
What's the rest miss? Yeah, that's the one I tried. I can't do it because it screws with my sinuses, my sinus cavity too much.
This one's like a flat version.
Yep.
It's crazy.
And this is like the version I had before.
Right.
Where it covered my nose and my whole mouth.
Ooh. right here. Down the beauty aisle.
Yeah, well, you notice this aisle's never shrunk.
Let's see about the toys and the. I'll show you some things over there to the left.
Oh, okay.
These are pretty cool.
Yeah.
But you notice nothing here. A lot of places they're saying that they're putting covers on them for people stealing. Like, I don't know why you would.
Because it's awesome. I don't know why they don't have the Olay in them.
Well, that's what I'm saying. Like, if it comes down to society that you have to. Because they were saying something about toothpaste up north.
It's just the Dove.
It was.
And Aveeno was way more expensive than the Dove.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Oh. I mean, always yell it out. How about I just spell it out? Ooh, open it up. Aww. There goes your Valentine's card. I don't have to. I don't have to buy it. I actually like those joke ones. But they've gotten so expensive over the time and stuff.
Like everything else, dude, like everything else.
They got magazines.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's go to the left. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Just the weird stuff that they got.
Slipper boots.
Boots.
Okay.
Boots. They go school bus.
Yep.
Yeah, hold one of those stuffed animals. Let me get
Which one?
either one you want. So you pick the smallest one. I was hoping you pick a big one. Come on, this is for the thing. Look, they even got the cake mix. That's cool.
What?
Either chocolate or cupcake. Silicone. This is nice. To make, whatchamacallit.
Oh, to make the little cupcakes? Oh,
Yeah.
and the rose petals. The roses. Cool. Chocolate. Yeah, you could also put chocolate in those as well.
Eee. Eee.
No.
Oh, Dunkin' Donuts chocolate.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, go across over there. Afro unicorns?
Huh?
So it says there for $20, Afro unicorns. Let's go buy the refrigerator stuff in the back. Patches. Oh, nail polish. Pringles and chips. Oh. Eee. This definitely, I used to be addicted to these, man. I gained so much weight when I was young. You pop one of those in your mouth and you can't stop. Where's BB? Ah, the zero sugars. Oh. I don't know if I can have these. I think it's the carbs you gotta watch out for. Yeah, I'd eat that whole container. Just can't eat one. Gluten free. Yeah, I seen somewhere where they have no, this says no artificial sweeteners, but I seen a thing that says no sugar, but then they say you have to watch out for the carb ratio. But this is no artificial sweetener, so I don't know if that's considered no sugar. I wonder what ketchup tastes like with no sugar. It's just crazy how a lot of these things just have sugars in them. Oh, even got some Goya stuff. Oh boy, yeah. Regular Panera bread. And bagels. Where is she? I think that she is right there. Did you find something?
Yeah, my headbands. Actually, might stay in my head. Won't give me a headache.
I was trying to show you this here real quick.
Oh, what's your
Oh, wow.
What the heck?
No, not that. No, this no sugar thing.
Oh, where?
But then you have to watch out for the carbs, right?
Yes. Well, at least it's aspartame free.
What does that mean?
Let me see what it's got in here. That means it doesn't have any artificial sugar in it.
Oh, okay.
Aspartame can cause cancer.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Vegetable oil, peanut oil. Yeah, you could have this.
Cool.
Yep. Yeah. Let's see here. Total fats is 8. Sodium.
Yeah, that's probably with one, but I'm talking about like...
No, it's for 3 pieces.
Oh, okay, for every 3 pieces.
Total sugar 0. No added sugar. Sugar alcohols is 12. So it's got the sugar alcohol, so you're better off not to have this.
Gotcha. Yeah, these are...
The only thing with you, with Reese's, is you can't have just 3 little pieces.
What? 3 pieces? You gotta be crazy.
Right.
Alrighty. Anything else that you can think of? Let's see what's on that wall over there.
Oh.
Where the things, see if they got anything else locked up there. Oh, they got your sleepy time.
Really?
Sleepy time.
That stuff is so good.
Alright, walk to that Revlon just to see if there's anything.
Oh, they have like makeup and stuff locked up?
Yeah, see if
I don't think they got shit over there locked up.
not bad. Yeah, I just can't believe the.
You're gonna lock up that soap. But you're not gonna wash up. You're not gonna lock up the foaming hand wash. I just think that's acid.
It's got to be a Dove thing.
It's gotta be. Apparently that's not a hit.
Yeah. Alright, go down there and then. I think that's it.
See, so like they got the CeraVe. In this. But that's for acne, so I could see where that would be.
Right. It's crazy. Alrighty. A lot of patches over here.
That's for your face.
I'm just saying, but they got a lot of
Different ones.
things. Yeah, it's crazy. New thing going on. All right, you ready?
Wow, they got milk thistle and a hydrating milky cleanser.
Cool. I go to the left, and then I think that's it. I think we've seen. Oh, here we go. Yeah, you heard that guy over there? The homeless people steal. He's saying something to somebody. I remember using this aftershave when you used to get a haircut and they put it in the back of your neck.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I guess the lady was looking for something.
But I mean, I could see that stuff because that's.
And that's what the guy said, that the homeless people. All right. Yeah, we seen that. The Dove.
All the deodorant.
Underarm deodorant. Hey, but you could take the other one. Let's see the toothbrushes in the next aisle. Right, but I know in some places they had the toothpaste. And they were having the toothpastes. No, it's just the thing.
Just the electric toothbrushes.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. This is what I was talking about. Getting these little things for when we travel.
Yeah, well, I normally do have that.
Alrighty. Let's do it. What happened? You seen something?
No, it's just like a lot of this we don't even use.
I know. I remember when these used to be 99 cents.
Yeah. Well, Walmart
Seems like-
they still have them for like $1. So.
Okay.
All right.
Different areas, different things.
Yeah.
Guess I'm happy I don't live in a place where everything is
Under lock and key.
under lock and key.
If you have your extra care card, please scan it now.
Okay.
No, those candies.
Z, okay. So Z.
Alrighty. I remember somebody sued somebody because they had a design on the outside and it wasn't like that. So now they don't put no more designs on the candy. Well, it's dark outside. How much was it?
$24.
20 what?
24.
All right. Till the next video.
See ya.
Hope you enjoyed it.